against Tumelo Mokoni, Onthathile Sebati and Kagiso Mokoni has been postponed to the 30th of December. This so the two Mokonis can get legal representation. This is a case dating back to 2016, and it's understood that on Thursday this past week, Onthathile Sebati confessed to the police to killing her family, her parents and her two siblings. To give us reaction to this, I'm joined by Donald Brown. He is the uncle to Onthathile Sebati. Donald, thank you so much for your time. Let's start off with your reaction when you found out that your niece decided to confess to these murders.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Actually, this is a shock to us as family. We didn't expect such a thing to happen. Since, we didn't know what was the main reason for the child to do that. Because it is a very real shock. Hence, those kids they were still young by then. So we are really shocked and very much unaware, because this thing is we don't know what can we say, because this is a real shock to us as family.
Now, do you know these two gentlemen that are now accused in these murders as well?
Unfortunately, I don't know them at all. I really don't know them at all, because by then it seems they were still young. Because now, as far as we know, they just turned to 23. And then the most shocking part of it is my brother-in-law's birthday date today. It is a real shock to us.
So, Mr. Brown, just finally, what kind of child was Onthathile? I mean, back then, she was just 15 years old when these murders occurred.
But Onthathile was just an obedient child by then. She didn't show that such thing can happen. It is really a shock to us. And then on top of that, these young boys, they were the friends to my niece, my younger sister's child, as I understand. So I really don't know why this happened. Onthathile was really an obedient child, as far as I know, because I used to visit them at their mother's place, as well as the father. She was just an obedient child. I don't know what happened.
Did you ever have a chance since since Thursday when she confessed? Have you had a chance to actually speak to her from the prison cell?
Unfortunately, ma'am, I didn't have any chance to talk to her since then. I just saw her this day. But for the past days, I didn't have any chance, because I was really shocked, because I just heard from the police yesterday.
So what are you then hoping will come out of this case?
I don't know. I can't really tell what's going to happen, because she confessed to the police, and then we really don't know what's happening and what was the real reason behind this thing. Yes.
All right, thank you so much, Donald Brown there. He's, of course, the uncle to Onthathile Sebati, just giving us details about the kind of child that she was back then. She was just 15 years old when her parents were killed, and this case, of course, being postponed to the 30th of October. The state has mentioned in court today that they will be opposing bail for all three, as they are facing a Schedule 6 offence. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I am Tshegohaco Moagi at the Brits Magistrates Court.